Welcome! We are excited to introduce our new course on precision oncology and artificial intelligence-driven molecular diagnostics.
We are Claudia Voena
And Roberto Piva,
professors at the Department of Molecular Biotechnology and Health Sciences of the University of Torino.
Cancer treatment is undergoing a revolutionary transformation from understanding the genomic landscape to identifying therapeutic vulnerabilities. Molecular diagnostics is reshaping how we fight cancer.
Artificial intelligence is accelerating this transformation, analyzing complex genomic data, predicting treatment responses, and helping us decode tumor heterogeneity with unprecedented precision.
In this course, you will explore the foundation of cancer genomics, the impact of next-generation sequencing technologies, and how artificial intelligence tools are revolutionizing the interpretation of genetic alteration and clinical diagnostics.
You will also discover practical applications, from analyzing genetic variants with cutting-edge artificial intelligence platforms to understanding how biomarkers guide personalized therapy.
We will guide you through real case studies and hands-on tutorials, highlighting both the scientific background and the clinical challenges of integrating artificial intelligence into precision oncology.
This course is designed for master's and PhD students, early career researchers, and anyone passionate about how molecular diagnostics and artificial intelligence are transforming cancer care. Join us and discover how AI-driven molecular diagnostics is shaping the future of precision oncology.